Hi, I'm Max Smith. I'm the Operations Manager for Environmental Enforcement at Brighton Hove City Council. About 3 weeks ago we had our graffiti removal team attend the level and white paint the rear of the pavilions. It's a prolific tagging hotspot at the moment and we are struggling to keep on top of it. We've spent numerous hours down here, we've had enforcement officers down here, we've worked quite closely with Sussex Police as well in terms of joint patrols, and the increase of antisocial behaviour in the area is astonishing really. We've recently installed state-of-the-art CCTV cameras that will be covering the rear of the pavilion buildings. So the reasoning for installing CCTV here at the level, one, because of the deterrent it gives. They're quite obvious, they're high up, it gives us a clear overview of the level as well, so we can see quite a lot of the park, and we've got bright clear signage as well. So I'm hoping the minute a tagger sees the signs that CCTV are in operation and they can actually see a physical camera monitoring the areas that are known for graffiti, it will deter them from doing it. So if an environmental enforcement officer was to catch someone tagging, a fixed penalty notice on the spot will be issued of £150. If that fixed penalty notice isn't paid within 28 days, we have the option of then prosecuting that individual. So with the spring now upon us and coming into the summer months, more families are going to be coming down to enjoy the area, and I'm hoping and I'm praying that with these CCTV cameras in, the less graffiti we have, the more enjoyable it will be for families to come.